The earthworm is a member of the phylum Annelida, a group of animals with many repeating body parts called segments. Earthworm is a clitellate worm, which means it has clitellum, which secretes mucus for reproductive purposes. The anterior end of the worm is the one closest to the clitellum, while the posterior end of the worm is farthest in the clitellum. The mouth is located in the anterior end of the worm in the first segment, while the anus is located in the last posterior segment of the worm. Most of the internal organs of the earthworm are located in the anterior portion of the worm. These are the testicles, which produce sperms, seminal receptacles. The oviduct and the ovaries are beneath the esophagus, so we cannot see them.